Outline text Clip Studio Paint. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by locating the Clip Studio Paint icon on your desktop and double-clicking it to launch the program. Wait for the application to finish loading before continuing to the next step. Once the home screen appears, find the Draw option on the left side of the interface. Click the Draw button to open your Word canvas, where you will create and edit your text. After the canvas is open, select the Text tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on the canvas and type the text you want to edit. Once your text has been entered, choose a font and size that will be easy to see while working. Using a clear and readable font makes it easier to adjust the outline effect later. Next, make sure the text layer is selected in the layer palette. This is important because the outline effect needs to be applied directly to the text layer. After selecting the correct layer, open the Layer Property palette located on the right side of the screen. In the Layer Property palette, enable the Border Effect option to create an outline around the text. As soon as the effect is enabled, a border will appear around the characters. Adjust the outline thickness until the border is clearly visible and provides a strong separation from the text fill. Once the thickness looks good, change the outline color to match the style of your design. Since this tutorial uses white text, it is recommended to change the outline color to a darker tone. Dark outlines provide better contrast and help the text remain readable against different backgrounds. After you are satisfied with the outline settings, change the text color to white. To do this, select or block the text and choose the white color from the color wheel. Make sure the white color is applied evenly to all the characters. Take a moment to review the final result on the canvas and confirm that the outline and fill colors look correct. Your text should now have a dark outline surrounding a clean white fill, creating a professional and eye-catching outline text effect that stands out clearly and works well in many different design projects and layouts.